Hello crypto warriors, welcome back again to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to review a crypto project. Before, this video is not for any financial advices and I'm not a financial advisor. So let's start. Alright, in this video, I will discuss about this project, that its potential or not, like everything. Hope you guys give me your valuable times. Now as you can see the website interface in my screen now, and the project name is PIKA. Like you can see the PIKA boss. What is PIKA boss? PIKA boss is first of all, it's a meme coin. Are you ready for PIKA humps? It's time to PIKA boss to kill all dogs and frogs. I'm literally impressed with this project, with this meme coin, because they are literally working according to their roadmap and they are doing part by part. Simply as a meme coin, it's literally a huge, and it's already listed on our centralized exchange like Bitmart, which is absolutely amazing and a good impression as a meme coin project. So what is PIKA? Like PIKA fairness. PIKA boss is hired to watching everyone degenerating with the influence derivative doggy froggy coils. Like in this website, like in the information, you will get the story like why PIKA boss is here. So PIKA boss is here to give meme coin some parody large sales with no blacklist, no free tokens, no presale, zero tax, 100% liquid to cool, LP bound, and the contract re-announced. Also, PIKA is a coin for the people, for about fueled by pure PIKA power. Let PIKA show you the way. Literally, we can say that it's totally a community titan meme coin, and it's amazing. Their roadmap, like here you can see the roadmap. I know that it looks like very simple, but it's like a simple, but it's literally amazing. Literally amazing. I'm literally impressed with this meme coin. I'm pretty bullish on this project. Like here you can see the roadmap information in my screen now. Like here is the PIKA boss, also the PIKA boss 2. Also here you can see the PIKA boss 3, the PIKA boss 4. Right now, they are done their PIKA boss 1, which is they already achieved their 1 million market cap, and that's like what you can see in their phase 1. Like in the PIKA boss, they will do like safe space for PIKA holders, VIP rooms for PIKA ventures. Also after their centralized exchange listing, which is already done, and they will achieve their 10 million market cap. And I hope so. The team is literally doing a hard work on this project. So I hope so. They will achieve their 10 million market cap, and it will be easy for them. And if you see the PIKA boss 3, like a secret airdrop, PIKA fandom, also their NFT collections, burning, evolution, and the 100 million market cap. And in the PIKA boss 4, their PIKA finance, PIKA game, PIKA party, secret airdrop, Binance listing, and the 1 billion market cap, which is coming. I know that here they are mentioned Binance listings. I don't know about it, but I hope so, and I don't think so it's possible. But if they are creating a hype in this market like papers, obviously it's possible to list it on Binance. But this meme coin need to take times like 1 year to 2 years to list it their tokens on Binance, because we need literally a huge hype. And if it's listed on Binance and it's still till you hold PIKA token, so obviously you will be a crypto millionaire, which is absolutely amazing. And the 1 million market cap is I know that it's easy to say, but it's not easy to achieve it. So I hope you guys understood it. Now the tokenomics, as you can see, the tokenomics like the supply, the allocation, which is 100% liquidity pool, 0% tax, contract re-announced, LP bound, no blacklist, and here you can see the information about it, like no bullshit. Is that simple? Like is that simple? Means simple. Now let's check it out their chart. So now you can see the chart information in my screen now, and if you see the chart, it's like we are in a deep. Like if you see their chart, And here you can see the whole information about this. Like let you open their chart in like one day time frame. Like here we can see the chart. Like it's literally dumping now, but I hope so it will also pumping from here, or we can say that I would dump it. Like it's literally right now it's depend on Bitcoin and the market, crypto market. Also here it is the market cap, which is right now 1.28 million, and the liquidity holders, the 24 hours of volume and everything what you need, you can check it out for yourself. And obviously you can see the rough chat, which is absolutely amazing. Nothing to say about price predictions. I think so it's amazing, and I also think that we are still in deep. I know that here is a huge pumping, but I am purchasing like $5 or top tokens like the PIKA, and I will hold it for the long term. If it will rock, so it's okay. I will cover that. So obviously this is not for any financial advice, so do your own research. Now let's check it out their X profile. So where you can see the X profile, and they have only 816 followers in their X profile, and the most parodiable meme coin is extensions. Literally it's amazing, and the team is very active. Like here we can see finally their first centralized exchange, which is Bitmart exchange, as I said that at the first. And here you can see Bitmart also announced about it, which is absolutely amazing, and the team is very active right now. Here we can see, and they are like doing meme marketings like as a memecoin project. It's literally amazing. Like amazing meets literally amazing. Now about potential things, I already talked about it, and I hope that you guys understood about their potential. So that's it about this project. For more info, you can join their Telegram community, and please subscribe this YouTube channel for more crypto projects. Peace.